I don't usually do tier lists, but today I want to first Astro. I don't really like him, but I just put him Bath. Yeah, above Astro. Blood here. Bobette. Here. Box and Ragni. Russia. Let's cool. Nothing. Coco. Here. Corn here. Cosmo. Here. Dandy. I don't really like dandies. Put him down here. Oh, down here. Right, Doyle. I don't like him to go down here. I want you to go there. Okay. I don't know much about it. I don't even know what's an ability, boy. I should put it here. Exon, I pretty like him. Let's put him in. Fan, yes. Flutter, yes. Yes. Gigi. Come on, wait. How do you put it? Ginger, no thanks. Put it. Hey. Glisten, I'm putting him here. Good hair. Good. I never use it. Let's put it here. Hey. Louis. Here. Pebble. Hair. Wait, no. Here. Poppy. Here. Razzle Dazzle. Yes. Razzle Dazzle. Okay. Then here's the Roger. I don't play Roger match. Just put here. Here. Scraps. Shelly. I don't like Shelly, bro. Okay. Scraps. Shrimpo. Soul Fester. I'll put here. Sprout is here. Tegan. Here. Tisha. Okay, Tisha. I like to put Tisha. You're not supposed to be here. Tisha, yeah. Here's Toodles. He's good for icon. Don't you spray here? Fee, hair, yard, Mexican. Done, and that's all. That's all. Bye.